The goal of this activity is to really loosen up the hips and get your legs freaky strong. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to need something to support yourself with, like a dowel rod or a mobility stick, because movement is made better. And what you're going to do is you're going to stand in a split stance or a staggered stance position. So from the side, I'm about this far back. You don't want to get too far, otherwise you're going to have a hard time getting the tuck. So just a short stance. I'm also not too wide. I got the stance fairly narrow. And then for both sides, because you're going to do each side a little bit differently, you're going to make sure you get a tuck of the hips and an exhale. Make sure it's not exaggerated. It's just a subtle back pocket tuck towards the heels. Exhale the rib cage. Now the difference is, if the left leg is in front in this case, you're going to get a tuck and an exhale, and keeping your knee, foot, and hip all facing forward. I got weight through the inside of the heel. I'm going to turn the zipper on my pants to the left. I'm going to feel a little bit of groin in that position. And then from here, I'm going to maintain that. I'm going to go down about, quarter, halfway, whatever you're feeling. You're going to breathe in this position. On the exhale, you want to reach forward and spin, keeping everything forward, like that. Hold. Get it right, you'll feel your quad, inner thigh, a little bit of glute. And just so you can see from the side on that one, so I got my tuck, zipper's going left. I'm going to take my knee, and then I'm spinning my body, not leaning forward. Spinning my trunks, I'm really driving that inner thigh. Reach and spin. Now on the right side, slightly different. The setup is going to be the same, tuck, all that's the same. The key difference is on the right, you're going to put weight on your inside heel and the base of the big toe, or the first metatarsal head, and you'll notice my knee's caving in. We don't like that. So I'm going to bring the knee back to center, and that's actually going to give me a little bit of glute on the right side. So this right side is going to be a little bit more glute and quad. You're going to hold that position, same thing, drop it down, Charlie Brown, 5 breaths, trying to maintain, reach and spin. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.